Welcome to Mystro. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Mystro app. I'll be going over preferences, accepting a trip, trip filtering, and completing a trip. This is the Mystro home screen. To begin, click on the Preferences icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose the kind of car you drive with. Once you are on the Preferences screen, you must choose a primary app. Today, I have Uber, Lyft, and Postmates loaded. By default, Uber is my primary app, but I can switch my primary to Lyft or Postmates by tapping that icon. I'll show you how to do that now. Tap the Lyft icon to bring up Preferences for Lyft. Under App Switching, tap Select to use Lyft as your primary app. Lyft is now the primary app. Your primary app is always on your screen and online when you are idle. For this video, I will switch my primary app back to Uber. Now let's have a look at Enable Auto Accept. Toggling any one of these to the on position simply means Mystro will auto-accept requests that meet your preferences. Once we enable Auto Accept for any services, we can then go to Customize Auto Accept for those services. Customization includes setting a preference for minimum PAX rating, minimum surge, maximum time to PAX pickup, and long trips. It is very important to understand that Mystro does not suppress trips. Mystro automatically accepts trips based on the preferences you set. If you choose not to accept a filtered request, your rating with the rideshare apps will be affected accordingly. Now that we have set up our preferences, we can go online for the first time. Taking Mystro online immediately opens Uber, Lyft, and Postmates. Note that you must be signed into the rideshare platforms in order for Mystro to take them online. As you can see, Mystro is now taking Uber online. Now Mystro is bringing Lyft online. And finally, Mystro is bringing Postmates online. Now we'll wait to see Mystro auto-accept a trip and close out the other rideshare apps. As you can see, we have a Lyft line coming in, and Mystro is going to automatically accept this trip. It now closes out Uber. Now it closes out Postmates. And now we can navigate to our passenger's pickup location. Once the trip has been completed, Mystro will automatically bring the other apps back online, and you are ready for another request. Here we see Mystro bringing the Uber app back online. And here we see Mystro bringing Postmates back online. Now we are going to watch Mystro filter a trip that does not meet the preferences we set. This incoming request did not meet my Uber preference and was filtered by Mystro. I can let the request time out, or I can tap the Tap Below to Accept box to override my preferences and manually accept the trip. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for driving with Mystro.